You open pizza?
Yeah, well, open
Turn your
that.
pizza to me. What's your pizza look like?
And that.
This? Oh, you open gummy pizza?
Now open
Wow.
it.
You ready to open it? Oh, okay, brother, help you. Brother and you help to each other. Wow, that pizza so cute.
Hey, Mom.
Huh?
Ai là nàng thì
Hey, Yada.
Huh? Wait, let brother do first and then you share with brother. Wow. Oh, what's your pizza have?
Egg.
The 8? What's the 8? Which one's the 8?
This egg.
That one's the 8? Ooh. It tastes good? What's it taste like, brother?
nothing.
Nothing? You wanna taste one? Kim, get one to mommy.
With the dummy bear.
That's gummy bear. What's one you looking for? What you looking for? Oh, there's a spaghetti. Rubber band. Oh, there's a... What's that? You know what's that?
Noodle.
Noodle? Wow. What you looking for?
With the pizza.
What one pizza?
That.
That one? Let's see. Oh, there's a small pizza right here. Oh, you can have it. There's the small pizza. Wow.
The even one.
There'll be another one. Wow, there's another one. A lot of them. What's this? You know, what's this green one?
The baby.
Pepper.
Pepperoni? No, I think that's beer pepper. It tastes good. It's soft. I think what's it taste like?
Soft.
Soft. Sweet, sour.
Sour and sweet.
Sour and sweet. Oh, you don't like that? What's that? You like that one? How about that one?
What?
You know what's that one? What's that taste like? Sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet. I don't know which one you like. You can try mine. No? Then you should try the yellow one, Adam. You should try that one sweet.
And sour.
No, it's not sour, only sweet. Tastes like mango. Try it.
Big one too.
You wanna try that one too?
No, big one.
Okay. What's this taste like?
Tower.
No, it's not sour. What's it taste like? Sweet. That one's sweet. That's taste like sweet. That's a taste sweet. Let me try this one. Oh, so big. You done? You done? You done eating?